Most factories today contain some elements of IIoT, but it's more than likely that the majority of your machines and equipment are not as interconnected as you'd like, and are instead isolated in little automation islands. And even if they're not entirely isolated, they are likely composed of one or more systems that can't easily interact due to a number of variables, including unique communication protocols, equipment age or legacy products, different types of connectors, proprietary device restrictions, or a lack of built-in flexibility, all of which can isolate equipment and processes from one another. But what if there was a way to connect the different islands and translate data on the fly so that multiple systems could share information together? Well, now there is. Break free from connector and protocol limitations with Snap Signal Converters from Banner Engineering. Snap Signal Converters allow you to connect together two previously incompatible device types so data can be seamlessly transmitted across multiple IIoT ecosystems. Snap Signal Converters make it easy to incorporate your existing legacy devices into standard protocols to enable process monitoring and improve productivity benefits. While some of our Snap Signal Converters have been tailored for Banner devices, there are also versions that are universal and brand agnostic and will allow just about any signal or protocol to be converted and transmitted. Snap Signal Converters are available in ever-increasing assortments of protocol combinations, so be sure to check our website regularly for updates, or feel free to reach out directly if you have unique requirements. Let Snap Signal Converters be the first step in your new journey towards total data integration and provide you the building blocks to create a more interconnected smart factory. Link all of your IIoT ecosystem together the way you want with Snap Signal Converters, available only from Banner Engineering. Be sure to watch for upcoming Snap Signal Converters and other Snap Signal devices at snapsignal.bannerengineering.com.